At ACE are always focused on designing and building the machine, keeping in mind the operator convenience and comfort, which eventually reflects in increased efficiency and higher productivity. We are glad to offer one more such feature on ACE forklift, that is air conditioned operator cabin. Many times our forklifts are operated in dusty and hot operation areas. A forklift with AC cabin are an ideal solution for such tough operating zones. Choose our AC cabin in order to get higher throughput. Think ACE, think comfort.